Hello everyone, my name is Smriti Sharma and today I am back with the new Salesforce topic. As you all know, you must have registered for the Salesforce ecosystem certification, and today we will be going forward with the last session covering the Salesforce ecosystem. If you want to see the starting topics, you must go to the video and you can see that video and prepare yourself for the examination. So today we will start with the part 2 after the one where we have left. So the other topic is Sales Cloud. Sales Cloud is a part of a Salesforce.com platform which is focusing on enhancing the effectiveness of the sales team of an organization and hence increase the amount of sales. Basically, Sales Cloud is working on the sales processes and it is helping organization so that it helps the team or the organization to increase their sales. It stands unique when compared to other sales method as it provides both the account information of the customer as well as the information gathered from the social platform about the product and the customer. So it is helping both the customer as well as the organization as through the social platform or through by giving the information about the product or its customer. This helps in judging the potential of a sales customer and closing the sales faster. In short, you can say that Salesforce Sales Cloud is a cloud-based CRM platform that keeps information about leads, customer, and sales all in a single place. So it is a single CRM platform where the information about its customer, its organization, and the sales processes all are there in a one place. In a simple term, one more definition, or you can say one more explanation I have is the Cloud refers to the sales module in Salesforce.com, and these are the objects which are there in the Salesforce for the Sales Cloud: leads, accounts, contacts, contracts, opportunities, products, price book, quotes, campaigns, analytics, and partner management. So these are the different objects which are included in the Salesforce for the Sales Cloud purposes. It includes features such as web to lead to support online lead capture with auto responses rule. It is designed to be a start to end setup for the entire sales process. You use this to help generate revenue. Yes, it is talking about the same thing, that it is helping us to to close the deals faster, to get the maximum profit and to generate a greater revenue. Okay, now this is what a sales cloud. If you want to study deep into that, in Trailhead you can search the Sales Cloud and you can just go through the Sales Cloud and just study from there as well. Next is the Service Cloud. Now, what is Service Cloud? Service Cloud essentially is just customer service or customer success. It is just helping connect with customers and helping them deal with maybe issues that come up or product breaking or returns. So basically, Service Cloud is helping the customers in all the problems related to the products. For example, if any product is break, if you want to return any product, or if you're finding any of the issues with the product, Service Cloud is helping the customers to connect with the organization people so that for the replacement, for the returns, for the issues they are facing. It's like you can say whenever you are, for example, customer service centers. So what they are doing, that a person is there who is trying to connect with customer and dealing with all these things related to the issues with the product or helping them in their returns, exchange, or anything related to that. In some cases, it can happen through a web chat, but it is mostly deal through phones and emails. Yes, it is true that it can happen from a web chat, for example, from a chat service as well. You can raise a request, you can raise a complaint, and a ticket will be raised for your query. Or mostly it can be through phone or emails also. The customers can share their problems. This part of Salesforce platform is focused on providing support and help to the customer. So in this Salesforce platform, Service Cloud is basically supporting the customers and providing them help. This helps in retaining the customer, increasing their satisfaction and loyalty. Its uniqueness lies in providing faster service compared to traditional methods, giving individual attention to each customer needs and taking a proactive approach to customer issue. This was the traditional approach which we used to follow, but now as compared to that, this service cloud has helped us to provide a faster service to the customers and to deal with their problems and solve them. That ultimately enhances the customer experience, hence loyalty, which in turn creates a good impact on sales. And that's why what is the result is that it has enhanced the customer experiences with the company or with the organization, and which in turn has helped us that they are loyal to the organization, and it is also giving a good result to the sales processes as well. Now, which is the main object in the service cloud is the case object. So whenever a customer is raising a complaint, a case will be generated, and through that case all of their problems will be solved. For example, a ticket or a case is raised against that customer in the Salesforce. So service cloud will help that to create a ticket or a case, and then that case will help all the customers to solve their problems through that. Like through the case object, we can identify that who is the customer, from which place he belongs, from what is their phone number, what is their address, and what is the problem they are facing with their product. For example, you have purchased a headphone or anything, and it is not working from the Amazon, so you will connect with the Amazon customer care, and you can let them know that this is not working, I want to exchange that, or I want to return that, and a case will be created. Salesforce case will be created, which is through the service cloud, and through that case, whoever person is, the case is assigned to, he can look onto the problem and they can help you to solve that. They can either raise the exchange request, or they can either raise the return request, anything, so that, and your money will be reached back to your wallet or your account. Now, what is Marketing Cloud? Marketing Cloud help us to keep track of potential customers and helps them go into the sales path. So, Marketing Cloud is also you can say that it is also helping us to keep our potential customers. Potential customers means that there are so many customers who are registering themselves that they want to buy a car, but many are coming to the showroom, they are just seeing your car, but not everyone will be buying your car, right? So potential customer means the ones who are interested to buying a car, who has looked onto their car and they want to move ahead for the process. For example, they want to know about the whatever offers or discounts you are giving them as a part of any festival or any they want to go ahead with the process, like they are interested to buy it. So that are potential customers. Salesforce Marketing Cloud is a digital marketing platform that allows you to personalize every customer experiences and optimize your marketing efforts. It automates marketing across a variety of channels, including email, social media, mobile apps, SMS, websites, and more. You can connect every customer interaction and experience with your business across multiple channels with Salesforce Marketing Cloud. And these are the objects which are there in the Marketing Cloud: campaigns, campaign members, and leads. So basically, Salesforce Marketing Cloud is helping to get the responses from the customer. Like through the social media, they can take the review of any of the customer. Okay. Through mobile app, they can ask for your reviews or what are your suggestions, what are your feedbacks, through SMS or through website. So basically it is dealing with all the possible efforts which they can ask to ask to personalize the things according to the customer experience. Now, what is Experience or Community Cloud? Essentially, what you can do is to create a different community or a social platform for your customer to engage with you, your brand, and other customers. A community cloud is a cloud infrastructure in which multiple organizations share resources and services based on common operational and regulatory requirement. The concept of a community cloud is akin to a community garden where different individuals grow produce on a single piece of shared land. So basically community cloud is helping us where different type of projects or different type of applications, they come up together to, and they belong to a particular type of community, so that and they keep their multiple customers can come and visit them like that. So a community cloud is basically building a community cloud structure infrastructure, okay, where many resources are getting shared, many services are getting shared on the basis of a common thing, on a common requirement or anything. Okay. So this is what a community cloud is. Now next non-profit cloud. The non-profit cloud being practically free because it is saying that it is non-profit cloud. So it is practically free and an open resource. Leverage the one CRM to create a constant relationship management system for non-profit organization. Non-profit cloud enables user to connect every function of the non-profit organization and holds all this information in one central place, Salesforce. So Salesforce also give us free space or non-profit cloud to everyone who wants to utilize that and who wants to build the relationship with their customers. So also Salesforce has a feature of this non-profit cloud as well, okay, where all the information related to any of the organization, you can find it in the Salesforce. They can keep it in the Salesforce up to a certain point. Yeah, there is a limit to everything. So free space or non-profit cloud also has some limits. So they can just be utilized in limits. But yes, Salesforce is providing us this feature. Now, Einstein Analytics. Einstein Analytics uses the AI to draw better and fast conclusions. Okay. For example, let me tell you an example of Einstein Analytic is chatbots. There are many companies who have organized, who have created their chatbots. For example, if you want to order anything, like there is a food restaurant who has organized its chatbot, you are just typing that they are just a chatbots. What chatbots generally do is they ask you questions that what type of food you need, vegetarian or non-vegetarian. So you will say that yes, you will click on the vegetarian. Then they will say that yeah, according to your choice, vegetarian options will be available. Yeah, tick, 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 tick. These 5-6 things are available and you can choose any one of them. Then they will ask from this, do you want the spicy or non-spicy? You can select the spicy thing. So through the chatbots, through their questions, through the AI, they are asking you questions and you are answering them. So this is all a example of an artificial intelligence. So Einstein Analytics works on that type of data. Okay. You have not called your client in a week and a half. For example, you have not called, there is any restaurant who has not called their client in a week and a half. Your data shows that you have closed more deals after you call them once a week. So they are saying that if you are calling them, then maybe they are returning the deals or they are, coming in the restaurant. So it will recommend you to call them and check in that whether they are coming this week or not. So it is just the type of artificial intelligence. But the best example you can understand for that is the chatbot. Chatbot is an example of AI, which is, through the customer reviews, they are just verifying that what type of food or what type of order a customer wants. Mulesoft. Mulesoft is again an integration platform. It is mostly dealing with different systems and connecting APIs. So connecting the data from all different parts of your company system and bringing back it to you. What Mulesoft is doing, that it is connecting the data from all different parts of the company system and they are bringing it to one specific place. Whether that's closing a deal, whether that's developing on the platform, whether that's servicing your customer, Mulesoft is there to help you with all your data. So Mulesoft is there, which is helping us to close a deal, to develop, if you want to develop on anything on the platform, or if you want to provide service to your customer, Mulesoft is the answer. Also, Mulesoft make it easy to unify data to deliver a single view of the customer, automates business processes, and build connected experiences. So this is what Mulesoft is. Okay. Next is the Health Cloud. Health Cloud is also a type of a cloud, but it is generally more secure. Why is it more secure? Because it dealt with the patient's data. So related to health cloud is all the patients, all the HCPs data, like the doctors data, patients data, and related to the very personal information this health cloud is. That's why it is more secure. Okay, changes the data model to a patient centric model. It is basically changing the entire data model to a patient centric. Only the patient related information will be there for the health cloud. To keep up to date with appointments, follow a prescription. Yes, it also helps us to, if you want to keep up to the date with the, for the appointments, for the follow-ups, for the prescription, it is helping the patients. So health cloud is generally more secure in each and every way. Or PI data, personal information data. Sustainability slash net zero cloud. Now, what is this? This is breakdowns to your company environment friendliness, shows you where you can improve, and helps you to take this back to clients and show responsibility. This is not a very tough thing. It's just that it's zero cloud. It does not have much thing. So you can just go through these points. Nothing major will come in the examination related to this. It's just showing you where you can improve and helps you to take this back to clients and show responsibility. Yes, it is helping to take responses from the client, and it's just showing the clients that yeah, you the company organization is very responsible towards them. So it's just that. Click versus code. Now, what is click versus code? Salesforce is providing a feature of click flows, approval processes. So with these automation tools, it is helping to code less and doing the work on clicks more. So like apart from the developers, admins can also work in the future. So it is helping that we don't need to code as much, and we can, by using these flows and approval process, all the work can be done. Like all the automations can be provided. So that's why it is saying Salesforce has different tools that they can use to make sure that you are doing the automations, not using code and having to hard code and go through the painstaking process of having to test and run that through. So basically it is helping not to do the code or a hard code, and not taking and just taking the painless process of learning the flows and the approval processes, okay, and doing the things whatever you want to do. Our next topic is careers and roles in Salesforce ecosystem. So we have many careers and roles in a Salesforce. For example, Salesforce admin. So these are the people who are doing day-to-day updates on the Salesforce org. Next is Salesforce architect. They have a lot of technical knowledge about how the Salesforce work and what is the base of code. Code level, they have the knowledge, okay, and they have the knowledge of the different customization. So that are senior, you can say, or you have more talented people than the admin. Then we have Salesforce developers who is really coding on the Salesforce organization, and they are coding heavy. So they are developers. Salesforce marketer, they are using the marketing cloud tools to bring in new customers for the company. So these are Salesforce marketing. This is another very good career option. Then Salesforce consultant. Salesforce consultant are implementing the one-off products from Salesforce or different things from the customer 360. So basically they are dealing with customer 360, and they are dealing with the product side. Salesforce designer, these are the user experience designer and strategy designer. So these are designers are the ones who are helping on the Salesforce UI part or user experience part. So next topic is Scrum and Agile development. So we have two different things, Scrum project management and Agile project management. So Scrum project management is where backlog of work is created, where we split the user stories or projects into 2 weeks, and we have to finish that. And if anything urgent is coming in between, we can prioritize that to the next sprint. Okay, so this is what a Scrum is, where a new or urgent thing will be prioritized for the next sprint. But if we are talking about the Agile project management, here the things are moving between the to-do, doing, testing and deployed phase only. Every time these phases are going on, so people are in, like whatever work is coming, they will prioritize that. And items are prioritized as they come into backlog. So whenever they are coming to backlog, they will prioritize that. They don't need to wait to entire sprint to complete and then they will take up the new work. if anything priority thing is coming up, they will be taking that and doing that first in the middle of the sprint as well. So Agile is working on that. Now, what is Salesforce Trust? Trust.salesforce.com is Salesforce website which provides transparent status details on service availability, performance, security, privacy, and compliance in order to instill trust and confidence in a service. So, it is providing a trust to our customers. It is giving up these information, whatever it is written here, and so that trust and confidence built in the services. Let me show you the trust.salesforce.com. Trust.salesforce.com. This is what the Salesforce Trust is. You can see that they are acting as a trusted advisors related to anything, and they are we earn the trust of our customers by giving them these things, and we deliver the transparency, security, compliance, privacy, and performance, and we deliver the industry most trusted infrastructure. If you see that here, it is providing the status by the product which the Salesforce is currently they are working on this product, and the status is this. For example, Salesforce services. If you look onto this status, so in Salesforce services, these are the statuses where it is currently working. These are the maintenance related information. B2C Commerce Cloud, Experience Cloud. Here also you can see the status as well as the maintenance related to that. Or you can see B2C Commerce Cloud, which is available now. So you can just go through that status and you can see that these are it's readily available. Everything is readily available here for B2C Commerce Cloud. No maintenance is going on. Nothing is stopped for now. So here basically the trust.salesforce, it is giving the status by product for different things. Trust components, here also we can see the statuses. Salesforce status provide transparency around serviceability. Go to status. Status, okay. So this is all. You can just go through that. So you can just go through that, and so this is all for the Salesforce ecosystem topic. For the previous sections, you can look onto our previous video, and this is the second and the last video for the Salesforce ecosystem. For the next sessions, we will be there are more sections for this examination for the certification, and I'll be uploading the video soon related to that. The later topics. So just press the bell icon so that you get the notification whenever the video is uploaded, and like the video and subscribe to our channel, and do comment if you have any of the doubts related to the entire Salesforce ecosystem, and if you want any specific topic to be explained in detail, you can just mention on the comments. Thank you.